Welcome to Investor Focus English. Please subscribe our channel to get more updates. In this video, we will cover BPCL Q2 FY21 result. Usually, whenever the results comes, we will only focus into the net profit and EPS. We should not only focus to those factors. Also, we have to look into other factors to understand the financial position of the company and also the operating performance of the company. In that perspective, we have to look into the sales. In terms of sales for the BPCL, though in year-on-year 14% decline, in quarter-on-quarter is 23% increased. Usually the operating expenses should be lesser, then only the company can make more profit. In this case, the company had made expenses in year-on-year 18% lesser, which is very good. In quarter-on-quarter, company made 23% higher, which is not good. This might be due to the COVID. Also, in terms of sales, when we compare the quarter on quarter, the current sales were increased. That could have made more operating expenses. In terms of operating profit, we always expect the more operating profit. In that perspective, if you see in quarter on quarter, 14% increased, in year on year 48% increased. Net profit or net income, we always look for the higher side. In that perspective, quarter on quarter 16% increased, year on year 37% increased. Earning per share also, we expect company to make more earning per share. In that case, quarter on quarter 10% increased, year on year 34% increased. Interest cost, the company has to pay minimum interest for the borrowing what they have took it from the bank in other form, or they have to reduce the borrowing, then only company can make more profit. In that perspective, the company has shown the lesser interest paid in this quarter compared to the previous quarter or the year on year. From 755 crore to 107 crore is reduced down. In quarter on quarter 541% is reduced. In year on year 601% is reduced, which is very good, which means they are making whatever the borrowings they bought, they are paying back on time, and which help to make more profit to the company. In terms of fixed asset, usually we will always look into the fixed asset when the sales got increased. Sometime if the fixed assets are reducing down, which will reflect more operating profit or sales, that will give you a wrong interpretation. In this case, the fixed assets are increased, hence this is not a big problem here. Year on year, the fixed assets got increased to 0.6%. In terms of cash flow, we have three cash flow section, which is operating, investing and financing. Usually in operating section, we have to see the cash flow in the positive mode. In this case, year on year, it's a big positive, which is very good for this company. In terms of investing, it can be negative. However, we have to see when the negative can be made. In the current COVID scenario, they haven't made much investment. Hence, though it is negative, it is not a big negative figure shown here. In terms of cash flow financing, we have to make sure in this section, the company has to show the negative figure, because they should not take more borrowings from the bank, which will increase the debt. In this case, it is reduced a lot, which means it is on higher negative, which is good for the company. From year on year 5,746,000 to 13,145 crore they have paid back. When we closely look into this, they have paid more short-term borrowings, which is good for the company. In overall, the BPCL results were very good. This is my personal view. Even if you have a share or if you are going to invest, you discuss with your financial advisor before you take a decision. Thanks for watching this video.